Hi, welcome back to Behind the Scenes at GM Canada. This time, I went to Oshawa Assembly, home of Canadian Chevrolet Silverado production. Trust me when I say it was oddly satisfying to watch how they put a truck together. Let me show you why. You can't appreciate how complex this place is until you see it for yourself. It's 9 million square feet. That's bigger than 120 football fields. And it takes over 30,000 steps and 3,000 pieces to build a truck from start to finish. Like, imagine the coordination it takes to ensure every piece is installed perfectly every time. The precision is chef's kiss. Let's check it out. There's approximately 1,200 robots in the body shop, stamping panels, welding frames, and lifting the pieces that are way too heavy for a person to do on their own. Thank you, bots. Robots moving perfectly in unison, like a dance. Pretty shiny sparks. Here, people work in tandem with giant robots to assemble the cab of the truck. Then it's on to Oshawa's state-of-the-art paint booth, where the employees wear these awesome jumpsuits. The paint is actually a fine powder used to coat the truck, and then they're baked to perfection in a literal oven at approximately 375 degrees Fahrenheit to cure the paint. It's the hottest part of the plant, literally. Cookies are done. Chassis is where the heart of the truck, the engine, is assembled. It comes down the line upside down so that the employees experience less strain when working, and then they flip back over before being installed in marriage. This is the largest robot in the plant, and where the truck bed is married with its cab. Wishing you both a lifetime of happiness. Fun fact, these robot arms can lift 2.3 tons, and that's the weight of an average rhinoceros. The robots must be on the money within a fraction of a millimeter every single time. That's a lot of muscle, but they make it look so effortless. General assembly is where your weather stripping, carpets, rear view mirrors, dash seats, and even the windshield gets installed. Ooh, weather stripping. And look at that emblem being placed so perfectly. Oh, onto the rain booth. Before a truck leaves the plant, there's a final quality check, and Oshawa has an entire section of the plant pouring over every truck. They even do a rain test to make sure that you stay dry during the most intense rainstorms. Don't you just love snuggling up to the sound of rain? So relaxing. 30,000 steps and 3,000 parts later, check out the final product. Thanks for watching. Follow for more behind the scenes content at GM Canada.